Thanks, guys. Here we are in the dirt parking lot right outside Nassau Community College, where only a few short days ago, a fire destroyed 7 cars. Apparently, when the driver was putting the seat back, an electrical malfunction created some sparks that set the seat ablaze. Things took a turn for the worse when the fire department had trouble accessing the back lot. The fire burned for 20 minutes before being extinguished. We had the chance to talk to a few Nassau students about the fire.
I was shocked. Just shocked. Yeah, it was pretty much shocked. I was in class, so I was shocked. They said her seat caught on fire under the seat. When she tried to move her seat back, the plugs got caught on fire. And it caused, I think, 6 or 7 other cars that catch on fire. But
you know, if it was a Honda Civic, it's probably Honda's fault. But it could be the owner's fault for not upkeeping his electrical equipment. If he wasn't inspected, maybe he sent it to a guy who's just like, oh, here's your inspection. You know.
I came out of Queens, and I happened to get a call from him. He said that the car was on fire. So when the car was on fire, I thought he meant his car. But he said, no, not my car. It was another lady's car that's burning.
Yeah.
So when I came, I say, oh, no problem, maybe I could fix it. And then when I came here, I say, no way I could fix it. I was going to tow it. He only had it less than a year.
It was a truly devastating day for Nassau students. I'm Jeremy Remy. Back to you guys.